pulling a trailer with this Tesla is more than likely, it's a small trailer, it's only 425 pounds, but more than likely, you're going to have to unhitch it. You'll have to block the wheels. You'll have to carry blocks. You'll have to block the wheels, unhitch it, charge your car, and then rehitch. And then you certainly want to block the wheels. You don't want it rolling around or anything like that. But anyways, we're good to go here. I'm going to shut this one down. And it's another project well done. No damage. No scratching of the car at all. You can see that this seam is perfect. You know what I'm saying? It bonded perfectly. The lights are plugged in. You know, I suppose I could check the lights on, guys. No. I think they come on. Oh, I have to sit in the car. See, I just put the brake on, so they came on. Perfect. Let's see if the other one works. Perfect. Oh, that sure is a small lamp for turn signals. You see the lights come on right now. If I can hurry up back there, we can see if my taillights are on. Yeah, I don't see the taillights. Anyways, we're gonna call this one off. I don't see the taillights, but we're not gonna, trust me, they work. All right, man, we're good to go.